Hello, this is Ricardo Ledesma, and this is my video for the Enhancement 7 this week. In these enhancements, we will work with the updating client information and changing the password. We add uh, cases to the account controller, and we create a new view which name is client update. Okay, so to make my demonstration, first I will show my admin PHP process that call the changes. Okay, page, I will log in. Okay, this user have administrative rights, so I select it. As you see, I add the message that the user is logging. I removed the client level information. I add the link who brings us to the client, to the user update view, and we add the proper message that says that the link products only will use for administrative functions, and only those ones who have administrative rights will access to them. Okay, the same happen if I try to log in with other user. Example this. Okay, this is the information, and only have the update account information. Okay, so if I click here, it will brings me to the new view, the account update view, and this view has two forms: one to update the client information, the other one to update the password. Okay, if I try to, let's try to, for example, change the last name to Gutierrez and click it. Okay, it says that we receive a message that the information was updated successfully. As you see, the changes here and the changes here. Okay, but what happens if we uh, update this without setting anything? Okay, if I said it says that I need to to specify some data here, can be empty. If I use the no validate tool and try to click it, it's give me an error that I need to provide data for this. So I use this. Okay, and let's do it. Okay. 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 As you see, it's validated. Okay. Uh, Good. And next, I will validate this with the proper code. Okay, first the HTML code. Okay, you see, there's no error, so everything's okay. And then validate it with the CSS code. Okay, no error found, which is good. That's a good sign. Okay, the next step here is to process the password change. Okay. I will change this user password. I will set a new password. Okay. As you see, the password was updated successfully. If I log out, try to log in again, okay, and use this one, I need to set the new password. Okay, and it's right. Okay, uh, okay, I change this one. I do this step. So I think that that's the enhancements for this week.